Hi everyone. Now we are talking about to create a lollipop or chupa chups. How do you call chart? This chart will be created from a column chart. How? Let's start. First, we need to choose a column chart. In column chart, we add to x-axis our, for example, retail and sales for our y-axis. Now we need to add its data levels. It should be millions. I think it will be okay. Displays millions. Okay, it's okay. We need to remove axes and background and change its color. Okay. And data levels should be light. Okay, and also x-axis. Okay. Yeah, now we need to turn this chart to lollipop chart. How can we do that? Okay. I need its background. Maybe it will be okay. And borders. Where is border? Actually, it doesn't have. Okay, it doesn't have border. Now we need to open our error bars. Enable for upper bound our sales and for marker we need to make this 10 is okay, and for column we need to change its layer now, and markers color and parse color should be now. As you see, it is a lollipop chart. See you later.